See the plantain I caught from my farm. You can see it's still dropping water. Very green and beautiful. It's still dropping water. You can see it's still dropping water. I just caught it now. We were gifted from our farm. It's still dropping water. I hope you are seeing it. Thank you, everyone. God bless you. It's just by the grace of God. No, in short, this is how I cut my unripe plantain sheet. Unripe plantain. Very easy. This one is for cooking. This is a very healthy food that is good for diabetes patients. And it's good for everybody, especially those that have sugar, because this unripe plantain is full of iron. That's one of the things that make me to like unripe plantain. It's full of what? Iron. It's very healthy, and I'm going to cook it in a delicious way. Thank you, everyone, for watching. You can see the way I'm cutting it. This one, if you put inside pot, under 2 seconds, it's half done. It doesn't take time to done. See, just cut it into two. Cut it this way, cut it this way. And this is native plantain from my compound. It's not like the one I brought outside. This one is native plantain. Under 10 minutes, you are finished cooking. It doesn't waste time. It doesn't take much time. You see the way I'm cutting it? Thank you, everyone. I so much like unripe plantain because of the natural benefits. I believe it will be good for everyone. Thank you for watching in Jesus' name. You can see my scent leaf. This is called scent leaf. This one is from my farm, very fresh. You see, scent leaf. I'm going to cook it with seeds. It's very enjoyable. Very fresh leaf. I hope you can see it. Very fresh. It's from my farm. I'm going to cook it with seeds. You will see when I'm going to cut it. Thank you. You can see I finished cutting the plantain. It's inside the pot. I put my fish. This is my dry fish. So this is my dry fish. I hope you are seeing it. This is dry fish. Make sure it goes inside very well. This is my dry fish. The next thing I'm going to put is my pepper and crayfish. You see, my pepper and crayfish. I hope you are there. The next thing I'm going to put 1 switch of naan. You see my naan, just one. It's okay. You don't need to put too much. The next thing is my socks. I hope you are there. I'm going to bring my socks. Now I put my oil, red oil. I hope you have seen. This is the quality red oil. Now I put my sauce. We don't have to put much because already there is some sauce on the Now this time around we are going to cover it and give it some time to run. You can see it. I hope you are seeing it. It's getting ready for vegetable. The plantain is getting ready for vegetable. Now, started putting my scent leaf. I said scent leaf. Scent leaf. You see now, I've put my scent leaf. You see, I've put my scent leaf. We're getting ready to carry it down. Now, I want to start turning it. Food is ready. Everyone should come and join me. You see my white plantain porridge. White plantain porridge. You see, white plantain porridge with scent leaf. Okay. White plantain porridge with scent leaf and dry fish. Thank you. Finally, food is ready. You see, white plantain porridge with scent leaf and vegetable. Join me, everyone. Let's enjoy ourselves. This is a very healthy food. It's very hot. We need to allow the food to cool. Thank you. White plantain porridge. You can see it's very healthy. Everything is complete with vegetable, scent leaf, and dry fish. You can see. Thank you everyone for joining. God bless you.